Here is my belief. You see, Warren Buffett may be right for his business. Robert Kiyosaki might be right that don't invest in car, it's a liability. But if you're somebody whose business is purely based on your visibility, your brand, on how you become likable or how people admire, how do you become inspirational, if your business is like that, then Ferrari is the best investment. And this Ferrari has made me one of those unique influencers and mentors in India who owns a supercar. Tell me, who are the other influencers in India driving a supercar? Now, it does not have to be that you have to drive a supercar and then you become a phenomenal coach or mentor. But when I bought a Ferrari, I wanted to make a point that even a person from a middle class working in a job can go from there to building the life and lifestyle around passion. And the best part is, all the things I bought, whether 11-bedroom home or a Ferrari, it is all cash. Now, I'm not proposing that you go out there wild for shopping. More than the money that you have in bank account, your brand is what will make you money. Let me ask you this. Who makes lots of money? Salman Khan or Nawazuddin Siddiqui? Of course, Salman Khan. Who is a better actor? Of course, Nawazuddin Siddiqui. But then why is that Salman is making more money than Nawazuddin? Is because jo dikhta hai, wo bikta hai. And brand is very important. And more so, it feels good. It feels good when you drive around in Ferrari, when you have worked really, really hard. People don't see your hard work. So go ahead and treat yourself. But forget about the Ferrari. Ask yourself this question. What are you doing to build your personal brand? You see, Ferrari speaks to my brand. It is fast, it's vibrant, it's sleek, right? Speed is one of the values that I have. So if that is something that you want, go for it. Build the brand, and that's how you will build your authority in marketplace, and you will unique in the business. Don't try to mingle in the mediocrity. Don't try to listen to people who have not been there and done it. If you want to learn my secrets on what else do I do, how did I build my authority, how did I go from making 1 lakh per client to charging 4 lakh, 5 lakh, and even 10 lakhs, click the link, join the masterclass, and I'm more than happy to share all my secrets. This is Dev Gadhvi. I'm going to see you in the next video. Take care and God bless you.